Watch Pepper's face. Do it again, Troy. I'm taking a video. Jump, Pepper, jump. Yeah.
Learn respect.
Say learn respect.
Learn respect. Pepper. Hey, Pepper, you.
Pepper, bounce yourself.
Learn respect.
Say bounce yourself.
Bounce yourself.
Okay. Yeah. Is that a good workout? What are you going to do, Troy? Flip?
Pepper, I'm going to flip.
Don't shake it.
Hit your face.
Say, excuse me.
Excuse me. Get off, Pepper. Troy's turn.
Come on, Pepper, scoot over.
One more time. No, you turn.
Okay.
Wow.
Jump. Come on, Troy, jump. Yeah. Come on, Ahmed.
I want to flip. I get to flip after you.
Okay.
We get turns flipping, sis. My flip is awesomer than your flips because I go straight down and my legs go straight up. I know, I can't do that. I'm too big. You can't do this? I can do that, but I'm just too big for it. Okay.
Stay in the backyard. Where's Pepper? Okay, good.
You see that, Troy?
She did it. She did
Look,
it.
Troy
She had.
did it. Ready? Mom, Troy, look, Mom, I just
Watch.
landed myself on you.
Yep. That was sweet.
You did it in
It was in slow motion. Oh, we got a spill.